Hello students, I welcome you in our YouTube channel MLP Group of Schools. And in this class of English Grammar for 12th, our topic is narration. In previous classes, we have cleared all points of narrations and I have explained all rules of changing narration. And today in this class, we will do some exercise of narration for exam, which are very important for exam. So let's start. First is, she said to me, do you know her? She said to me, do you know her? It is interrogative sentence, start with helping verb. So she said to change into asked. Me, in place of inverted commas we use if. You according to object. I. Do is helping verb of present indefinite, so we change it past indefinite. Knew her. So our sentence is, she asked me if I knew her. Next is, Monica said God is omnipresent. It is truthful sentence, universal truth. Monica said that God is omnipresent. Here we don't use is into was. Remain same. Monica said that God is omnipresent. Next is, the parent said to the peon, where does the principal live? Interrogative sentence, start with WS words. The parents said to change into asked. The peon, where the principal lived. The parents asked the peon where the principal lived. Next is, the teacher said, don't make a noise, boys. Teacher said, don't make a noise, boys. It is imperative sentence. Teacher ordered the boys not to make a noise. Ordered the boys not to make a noise. Or we can change it. The teacher forbade the boys to make a noise. Next is, the boy said to the teacher, may I come in, sir? The boy said to the teacher, may I come in, sir? The boy asked the teacher respectfully if he might come in. Asked the teacher respectfully if he might come in. Next is, I said I agreed to what he said. I agreed to what he had said. Here we write agreed in place of said, because here are two verbs. I agreed to what he had said. Next is, I said to him, leave this place at once. Imperative sentence, order. I ordered him to leave that place at once. I ordered him to leave that place at once. Next is, he said to her, are your guides kind to you? Interrogative sentence again. He asked her if her guides, your according to object her. Her guides were kind to her. He asked her if her guides were kind to her. Next is, the father said, my son, respect the time. My father advised, the father advised his son to respect the sun. The father advised his son to respect the time. Next is, I said to him, bravo, you are great. It is exclamatory sentence. I applauded him saying that he was very great. I applauded him saying that he was very great. Next is, he said to me, welcome. He welcomed me. I said to her, congratulations. I congratulated her. Next is, he said, how sad it is. How sad it is. He exclaimed that it was very sad. It was very sad. Next is, he said to me, might is right. It is also related to truth. He told me that might is right. Is remain same. He told me that might is right. Next is she said to me, how are you? She asked me how I was. She asked me how I was. Next is he said to me, were you busy? Interrogative sentence. He asked me if you according to object I were changed to had been busy. He asked me if I had been busy. Next is she said to me, will you help me? She asked me if I would help her. She asked me if I would help her. Next is she said to me, for God's sake saved me. This is optative sentence. She begged me to save. She begged me to save. Next is Ram said to Mohan, listen to what I say. Ram said to Mohan, listen to what I say. Ram asked Mohan to listen to what he said. It is imperative sentence and we use here asked to listen to what he said. Next is the girl said, I think she is Millie. Here also two verb. Girl said, I think means girl thinks. So we change here. The girl thought that she was Millie. The girl thought that she was Millie. These all are our examples of narrations which are important for exam, and I hope you learn them and write also in your notebook. Thank you.